truck. You know how Hotwheels have real big trucks and cars and all that? Guess what? They actually have a part of it.
Big? Yeah, that big.
When we get over there, you absolutely can. Just a minute.
Here.
No, it's not to get in. The rope is... Oh, no, there she is. And let's just wait. How are you holding her? She's just
Yeah, it's so broken. Big Buddy! Big Buddy! He's in the tunnel.
I'll tell you all the information I know about that BigFoot. Okay, so the first one. Do you think it is really fast? No, wrong. It goes a little bit faster than 10 miles per hour, but it still doesn't go as fast as the other ones, like 100. Well, some goes 100, but not all. The second thing is, you ready? You're gonna be surprised. This monster truck right here, that we're standing right in front of, actually doesn't need the thing to go up inside from the bottom. You take a ladder, or if you're strong enough, you can use the tires to get up in there.
Yep.
That's why it has that handle. That's why you don't see any other monster truck with handles. No other monster truck. The third one is they only do it in parades. Nothing else. No monster truck show. Sometimes they used to, I think. And it also went faster, I think. I'll go ask them if it used to go faster than what it goes now. Fourth, right? The shell of the body doesn't come off, but sometimes. The fifth one is they can change the tires to small or big. Because you can, this is the original, the one in that picture.
I'm going to take you to Grandpa. Grandpa's not even here.
Guess what?
You don't know.
Get this. They actually used to not use this monster truck. Done. That's all the information. I hope you had a great time at the monster truck place. Oh. And I got a really cool monster truck. There's some Firestone, BigFoot, Hot Wheels. I hope you liked it. Leave a like on the video and subscribe. Whoa. Peace. Bye.